Unto us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will rest upon his shoulders. He shall be called our Father and the Wonderful Counselor. He shall be called the Mighty God, Everlasting Prince of Peace. He's the owner of all our stories. The wise men came and they brought their gifts to the Holy Child. They came and they brought their gifts to the Holy Child. Ceto yaso duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. Kauna yaso duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. Bege shigo duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. Ceto yaso duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. The wise men came and they brought their gifts. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh to the Holy Child. Oh, we are the wise ones and we bring our to gifts. The Holy Child. We are the wise ones and we bring our worship. We are the wise ones and we pour our incense. I am the wise one and I pour my worship to the mighty God of Father and Everlasting Prince of Peace. Yaso duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. Kauna yaso duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. Yanshi shigo duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. Bege yaso duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. Kauna shigo duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. Hukunci yaso duniya, Yabo dan Dauda. Gaskiya ya shigo duniya. We worship, we worship, we worship, we worship. Yes, I worship, I worship, I worship, I worship. Glory to the Son of David. Praises to the Son of David. Kauna shigo duniya, Bege yaso duniya.